Hey guys, I'm back. It is 1:50 something, closer to, and I'm about to go wash my car. Finally, I've been trying to wash it for days. One day I actually did pull up, and they were closed. I guess it was supposed to be raining. I think I'm gonna get the same color, y'all, and I think I'm actually gonna stay to keep them long. I just need to tell them I want them sharp, like a sharp square, not like a whatever. And y'all, oh, I got money in my breast. Oh no, that's a list. Okay, y'all, when I be losing weight, I was looking at a picture that I posted, a video that I posted a while back. It popped up, and I lost so much weight in my breast. That'd be the first place I lose weight at, though. Like one of the first places is my breast, which I'm not mad. Girl, done had big breasts all my life. Or I wouldn't say big. They've been huge at one point, but they're really average now, and I like the average. But I'm headed to the car wash. I did download the editing program. I had to pay $3.99 a month. We're gonna see what it's hitting on, but I just downloaded one because I just paid because it's like they won't let you in the app unless you pay. So I don't even know if it's good or not. But hopefully I can cancel it. I screenshot the password, I screenshot the email I use, and that'll allow me to cancel it. Because right now I'm paying for one, I don't know how to cancel it. Don't know what email was used. I have to call my bank and cancel it. Because I don't have no access to the app no more. But I'm headed to the car wash. It's actually hot out here. And then I have to go to finish finding his shoes. His knees are like, I just thought about it. They're finna get out of school. Like, I just thought about that. They about to get out of school. I think they get out in an hour and a half. I forgot he in high school. Damn, look at that rain. Well, it's not rain. The clouds is black. I'm about to go through this car wash, and I'm happy because I get to edit a lot of videos tonight and post them. So tomorrow, aside from the affirmation video, we probably won't do a live video, like a day of video. We'll just do old videos tomorrow, old footage. Get them out the way. So many videos on my phone I need to throw away. My birthday is next week, so I really want to start back going to the gym. I'm probably just gonna start after my birthday, and then I'm gonna start eating raw after my birthday. But I'm gonna do a lot of fasting. My 34th year, honestly. Damn, it's like a dark cloud. It's like it's been a storm. Oops. Let's see. Bitch, you can't squeeze through there. I really want to cut these nails off, honestly, because at some point your nails gotta be cut. You can't just keep re-wearing the same old nails. I'm stuck at the light again. I'm gonna pause y'all while I'm at the light, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm back, but I don't know if the car wash is gonna be open because it's like ugly outside. Like, it looks pretty from this view, but this view is dark and gray. I don't know if y'all eyes do this, but I be having eye boogers not all day, but I have allergies, so it'll build up in my eye. You know how your nose gets snotty? My eyes be building up with the crust in it, like right here. So I be playing in it not playing in it, but when I feel it, I just go ahead and get it out, honestly. I hate when people be nosy as fuck at the light. I think I say that in my thing every day. Gratitude, great things are happening for me, always. That's really what I be doing when I be driving. I be really visualizing my life and the great things that are happening for me. My birthday next week. Yeah, you're gonna keep hearing it. It's 11 days away, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm trying to plan it at the same time, be realistic with the things I have to pay for. But at the same time, you only get one birthday. It looks like they're open. Yeah, they open. Damn, I got this little thing in the middle of the street that yo can pop your tire. So we're just gonna come through this car wash. I'm gonna let y'all go with me. It's kind of packed though. I paid for $20. I paid $20 a month for unlimited, and it's only my second time. And I think it's in 1 week left in the month. Well, the month how I started it. So it's my first time coming after that, so I gotta see how you do it. He told me, but you know, I'm not listening. Oh shit, it open. That's whistle. Now I don't know what to do. I gotta wait on somebody to come out. One thing about it, I'm grateful. One thing about it, I'm gonna be grateful. This way. I think I'm supposed to put it in neutral right now. Baby, I'm gonna get my unlimited car wash. I don't care what you're talking about. Ugh, it's in my eye. Yuck. Y'all see that? People be saying I be having them doing this, but if it's under my eye, it's under my eye. I can't just sit there with crust in my eye. I don't know how y'all be sitting there with boogers in your eyes. And y'all feel that shit. I brought my nieces some snacks. I brought them some, and my nephew. I brought them some, what you call these things? Slim Jims, and some brownies, and some gummies that we don't like. When my son don't eat something, I just go ahead and bring it for them, cause before it get old. Them Slim Jims, I try not to bring them too many at a time. I just put like 25 in there, about 25. I had bought a pack of like 160 or 200. And apparently my son don't eat the plain one. I'm in this thing, washing my pores. Let me stop, y'all. I'm such a big kid. This is relaxing. I need a car wash at the house. Like, I need one of these at the house. I'm gonna close my eyes, y'all, and relax in this bitch. I'm trying not to smile because I'm feeling like laughing right now. Damn, this car wash not long enough. Like, it's gonna be over. Like, I need like a 5-minute car wash, like at the paint. Like at the paint. I'm gonna vacuum this thing out fast. But do y'all watch P-Valley? I don't know how I feel about it, honestly. I don't know how I'm feeling. But do y'all watch The Shy? I gotta catch up with The Shy. I like P-Valley, but I don't know if I love it anymore. I don't know. That last episode, it didn't give me enough. Dates in my calendar. I just thought about it. My son had cavities, so he got to get a fill in. And I think I lost the little card. I gotta find it. I'm just gonna have to call him. I got so much shit in my sleep. That was the best few minutes of my life. Just so peaceful and relaxing. Yes, sir. Okay, I'm finna just clean my car. I think this is when I was at last time. Yeah. I think. Yeah. Because it blows really good. Like these things suck up really good. I'm gonna minimize this to 2 minutes. I'm only gonna be drying my car for 2 minutes. Not drying, vacuuming my car for 2 minutes. I'm gonna let y'all see a little something. Cause I don't really need to vacuum that much. I'm gonna come back in a couple of days. Cause you know I get unlimited. That sun really is expanding this bottle. Okay, so let's see what I got here. I have, this is my Amazon list. So what's inside though? Precision. I mean, it's pretty. This is my oil change. I've really been running up these miles on this car. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put everything in this folder, take it inside the house. But this is my mileage too. And one of these is my brother's. I accidentally brought him this. I gotta take this big thing out. I got a mask. Put that in the trash. I got these. Got a little Amazon thingy thing. And I got some lip gloss in here. As long as it stay in there, I'm good. Okay. Got a little baggy bag. But you're gonna take that. We're not gonna take it in the house. It serves its purpose in the car. But I got some lotion and trash. This clothes. I got this. I use this from Amazon. It's a flashlight. Okay, I pretty much got all the trash out of here. Got my little sucker that I'm finna to eat now. I'm gonna put it in my purse. And that's it. I got this paper. I need to deal with that in a minute before he go to practice. But this stuff is gonna go back here for one. And once I'm back in the front, I'll move it back up. And I have all these socks in here from when I do Amazon, and I take my slides off. So we're gonna put these in the trunk and take them inside. And that's it. That's about it. Honestly. And we're just gonna clean up in here, and we're gonna do it in a couple minutes. Yes, sir. Roll. But one thing about it, if I got a wedge, I'm gonna get it out. Let me stop y'all. I guess this is the end of the video. 20 minutes. I'm either gonna start another one or not. But my phone ringing, so I'll see you guys later. Peace.